Praveen, a very young lecturer, very academically oriented, working in one of the most academically very highly reputed college. He came with a history of fall from height, and when we saw him in an emergency department, he had a fracture of his spine. He had a paralysis, and they were all scared. We investigated in the form of X-rays the bones which is there in the vertebral column, which is labeled as D12, was fractured and was causing a problem to the spinal cord. Let's see what is the normal anatomy of the spinal cord. If you see here, this is a normal vertebral column. This is how it looks from front, while this is how it looks from behind. This is how it looks from the side. This is the cervical, this is the thoracic, this is the lumbar area, and while this is the sacrum. Now, where the neck meets the upper back and the upper back meets the lower back, we call them, they are the junctional areas. Biomechanically, these are the areas which come across maximum stresses as well as load bearing. So here this is the D12 and this is L1. So where the kyphosis is getting changed over the lordosis, and that's why commonly vertebral fractures are seen, either they are D12 or they are L1, which leads to neurological deficit depending upon the fracture morphology. This is how Praveen's vertebral column looked before accident. This is D10, this is D11, this is T12, this is lumbar 1, this is lumbar 2 and lumbar 3. One of the most important function of this vertebral column is to protect this spinal cord. Spinal cord is a structure which carries important signals, stimulus from brain down to our leg, down to our feet as well as hands. It gives us energy because the nerve signals which goes down and gives exact orders what to be performed. So, spinal cord and the nerves are the most delicate structure. In case of Praveen, this is what happened. Because he had a fall from height, whole vertebra fractured. It burst, and those fractured fragments pushed the spinal cord so badly that he lost power in his both legs. We call it as paralysis. He lost control over his bladder and bowel motion. He was not able to pass urine, and Praveen was in a state of shock.
दिनांक 2 जून 2013 रोजी नाशिकवरून पुण्याला प्रवास करत असताना रात्री 1:30 वाजता शिवाजीनगर येथे आरे दूध डेअरी आहे, तर तेथील स्पीड ब्रेकवर बस वेगाने असल्यामुळे जोरात आदळली आणि मी सीटवर बसलेला असताना तेव्हा सीटावरून हवेत वर उचललो गेलो आणि पुन्हा सीटवर पडलो. या दरम्यान पाठीला जोराचा जर्क बसला. परिणामी कमरेपासून खालच्या भागाचे ज्या संवेदना होत्या त्या क्षणापासून गायब झाल्या आणि परिणामी मला इजा झाली याची जाणीव झाली. मला एका हॉस्पिटलमध्ये ॲडमिट केलं. तर तिथे ॲडमिट केल्यानंतर तिथल्या स्पाईन स्पेशालिस्ट यांच्याशी कन्सल्ट केलं. त्यांच्या रेकमेंडेशननुसार ज्या काही टेस्ट असतील किंवा डायग्नोसिस टेस्ट त्या केल्या. एक्सरे, CT स्कॅन प्लस MRI केले आणि त्यानंतर इंजुरीचं जे स्वरूप असेल ते त्यांनी स्पष्ट केले. त्याच्यामध्ये L1 कॉम्प्रेशन प्लस पॅराफेरेसिस या गोष्टींचं डायग्नोसिस झालं.
We classified this fracture as unstable fracture with a neurological deficit leading to paraplegia. We performed emergency surgery on Mr. Praveen. We took all these fragments. We saw to it that these fragments are well aligned, and we stabilize by giving a tension band from behind by putting these pedicle screws. The surgery which was performed, it showed that we reconstructed the whole vertebral column. These green structures are the pedicle screws, and now this is the fractured vertebra which is reconstructed. The spinal cord was decompressed by doing the laminectomy in his case particularly. the fragments which were pushing on the spinal cord, they were removed and the remaining fragments were punched and put into its normal position. We freed the spinal cord in totally. We got desired results. Over a period of 3 months, patient now has recovered almost to 80%. Patient is able to walk. He needs some ankle foot orthosis, caliper support while going to his college. Now he is back to his school. He is lecturing. He is teaching those deserving students.
सर्जरीनंतर 3ऱ्या दिवसापासून फिजिओथेरपीची ट्रीटमेंट सुरू करण्यात आली. आत्ताच्या फॉलोअप व्हिजिटमध्ये माझी फिजिओथेरपी टेस्ट घेण्यात आली. त्याच्यामध्ये पायातले जे मसल्स आहे त्यांच्या ग्रेडिंग चेक करण्यात आलं. त्याच्यावरून डॉक्टर सरांनी मला जॉबला जॉईन करण्यासंदर्भात सांगितले आणि मी दिनांक 1 डिसेंबरपासून माझं नियमित जॉबवर जाऊन लेक्चर्स, प्रॅक्टिकल्स आणि ह्या ज्या काही माझ्या रुटीन वर्क आहे ते सुरू करू शकेन.
Today he has improved from paralysis and he is and his family is a very happy family.